Hello students, once again I am back with a new activity. Can you see so many solutions and the flower and some colorful things are kept here. Can you guess what activity we are going to do today? No? Let me tell you. So today's activity is based on acid, base, neutral. So we will check by using the two indicators whether my solution or my object or my thing is acid or base or it is neutral in nature. So what we are using? We are using the natural indicators. So which natural indicators we are using? We are using two natural indicators today. One is known as China rose or it is also known as hibiscus. It is very commonly available and nowadays it is blooming around. So you can easily get this China rose. And the next indicator that I am using is a turmeric solution. So for that what you need? You just need turmeric and put some water and then stir it and then your turmeric solution is ready. So today with the help of these two things which are actually natural. So with the help of these two, let's see whether my solutions are acidic or basic. So first see what are the solutions I have taken. So the first solution I have taken is a salt solution. Next I have taken a ENO solution. So what I have done, I have put ENO in water. If you have chalk powder, you can also put chalk powder in a water and make a chalk solution. If you have baking soda, suppose if you do not have ENO at home और आपके पास ममा बेकिंग सोडा यूज करती है तो आप बेकिंग सोडा भी ले सकते हो, उसको आप पानी में डालो और इस तरह का एक सोल्यूशन बना लो. फाइन. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ इनो सोल्यूशन you can use बच्चों other two solutions. Next I have lemon juice inside this small beaker. Next I have taken sugar solution. It is sugar solution and the next I have taken is vinegar. So these are the following things which you can easily get in your home. So let's do the activity which is based on acid, base and salt. One more thing I have taken बच्चों. So I have also taken soap solution. So instead of taking soap, suppose I have taken this normal soap, आप इसकी जगह soap या washing powder को पानी में dissolve करके भी ऐसा solution बना सकते हो and keep it with you. So this is also one of the solution that is called soap solution. In the end, I will show you two indicators. One is known as red litmus. Can you see that this is red litmus? Fine. And this is known as blue litmus. ये blue litmus paper है. Can you see the blue litmus paper? With the help of these two litmus paper also, we will check whether my solution is acidic or basic. So children, we are using two natural indicator here. One is called China rose. This is China. ये ना मिले तो you can use rose also. ठीक? So after taking the China rose, इसे आप boil कर लीजिए. Boiling सिर्फ 2 मिनट की होगी. Within 2 minutes ये इस कलर का लिक्विड बन जाएगा. सपोज आप वाटर में अगर चाइना रोज डालेंगे तो बच्चों इस कलर का सोल्यूशन आपका तैयार हो जाएगा. So this is one indicator and this is another indicator. So two natural indicators we are using. One is turmeric and other is China rose. So let's see one by one how. So first take our soap solution. You can take direct soap also children or soap solution also. So I have taken only soap. So I am using this ईयरबड. इन प्लेस ऑफ ईयरबड बच्चों अगर नहीं है आपके पास तो आप ब्रश भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. अब मैंने इसमें से थोड़ा सा सोप ले लिया. आई हैव टेकन अ सोप. ओके. एंड हियर आई एम मेकिंग अ स्मॉल स्माइली ऑफ विद द हेल्प ऑफ सोप. Can you see that two different colors are there? One is my soap solution or my soap, other is turmeric. Now I have taken my indicator and this is my soap solution. So see. Can you see the color change? Can you see the color change children? So the the color which was earlier was blue, now it converts into red. So turmeric is used as an indicator. Let's see in ENO solution. I have taken my ENO solution, or you can baking soda or you can take a baking soda. Now put we can't see any change. The color is actually coming the color of haldi only. So this is my ENO solution. So it has no change now. So children, this shows that when I have used this indicator, the soap solution or the soap which contains base, so it has changed the color and turns to reddish brown. So this indicates that it contains base. Not only in soap children, there are all like cleansing agent जो आपके घर में होते हैं. Suppose कोलिन हो गया, सपोज आपके घर में कोलिन होता है, वो डिश वॉशर जो होते हैं बच्चों वो, ठीक है. सो दे ऑल कंटेन बेस. यू सी हियर चिल्ड्रन, इन सोप सोल्यूशन व्हेन आई हैव पुट टर्मरिक इट टर्न्स इनटू रेड, व्हिच यू हैव सीन जस्ट नाउ. नाउ इन सोप सोल्यूशन चिल्ड्रन आई विल यूज द नेक्स्ट इंडिकेटर, दैट इज चाइना रोज. So this is China rose solution and this is my soap solution. So let's take few drops of China rose solution and now I am going to add here. Can you see the color change, children? Now let's do the same activity in lemon juice. So in lemon juice we will add both the indicators. See from these two indicators whether is there any change come in lemon juice or not. This is lemon juice children. Okay, and these are the two different indicators that I am using. So first I will take children some haldi solution and then I will put in my lemon juice. Can you see any color change? No. Can you see any color change? No. So this shows that turmeric जो होती है बच्चों, there is no change in the color in lemon juice. Now let's see whether the China rose gives change in color or not. So once again I have taken the lemon juice. Now I will use my China rose solution to check whether the color change is there or not. Can you see children color change? It becomes light pink. I will show you the color. It is very beautiful. Light pink color has come. Can you see that? The light pink color has come. Okay. So again come to a table. When we have used China rose, it has light pink color, whereas in case of turmeric, it has no change. So again, what we have used? Two indicators. So what is this? What is the conclusion? Conclusion is that बच्चों कि जो lemon juice था, this is lemon juice. This is basically acidic in nature. Okay. Whereas the soap solution जो था, that was actually turned red in turmeric and green in China rose, was basic in nature. Now let's see the next one, that is sugar solution or a salt solution. So I have taken here sugar solution. Now let's see whether there is a change in color of sugar solution takes place or not. So first I will take a turmeric solution and I will put. Can you see any color change? There is no color change children. There is no color change. It remains white. और बहुत हल्दी डाल देंगे तो it becomes a little yellow. But there is no color change. Okay. So it has no color change. Let's check in. Yes, let's check in China rose solution also. So I am taking another sugar solution. Now again I have taken sugar solution. Now I will check from China rose. Is there any change? Can you see any change? There is no change. Can you see any change children? There is no change. So this shows that my sugar solution or my salt solution is neither acidic nor base. So if a thing is neither acid nor base, it is actually neutral. Can you see a neutral written? So sugar solution is neutral. Okay. So we have seen three things, children. We have seen lemon juice, or in place of lemon juice you can also use vinegar. So they both are acidic in nature, whereas soap solution और your detergent solution और your cleaners जितने भी होते हैं बच्चों, they are basic in nature, whereas जो solution जो शरबत हम पीते हैं बच्चों, they all are neutral in nature. That's why we consume or we drink. So with the help of these two indicators, have you seen how we get different color or different results have come that actually indicates the acid, basic and neutral properties of a various solutions. Okay, now with the help of litmus paper I will show you the acid and base. Now children, I have taken two litmus paper. So one is red litmus paper, other is blue litmus paper. With the help of red litmus paper we will check whether acid में कौन सा result देता है और base में कौन सा result देता है. Okay, and with the help of blue also we will check which color comes in acid and which color comes in base. And after doing the experiment only we will write the results here. So I have taken both the litmus paper here. Now let's take a acid. So what is the acid we take? The common acid which is present in our home. And what is the common acid which is present here? That is lemon. You can directly take lemon and take this red litmus paper. Now see this. Can you find any change? So there is no change in the red litmus paper when we put on acid. So what we write? We keep it here and we will write there is no change. What we will mention? No change. Base red. Okay, now come to base. What is the base we have taken, children? अभी हमने बताया था ना base क्या था हमारा? Soap solution. ठीक है? So acid के लिए what we have taken? Lemon. और बेस के लिए हमने क्या लिया है? सोप सॉल्यूशन. और यू कैन डायरेक्ट टेक अ सोप. So this is my soap, children. Can you see my soap is here? And this is my litmus paper. Red litmus paper turns into blue. So this I will keep it here and I will write the change is blue. So the result is in front of you, children. What is the result? The result is when we use red litmus paper in acid, there is no change. And what acid I have used? Lemon. And what acid I have used? Lemon. Lemon contains, children, citric acid. Okay. And what base I have used? Soap solution or soap. So when you dip in soap, can you see the color changes to blue? So this is all about red litmus paper. Now let's see the same experiment with blue litmus paper. So let's take one litmus paper that is blue. Fine. Again I will use one acid. So what is the common acid? That is, can you see the color is changing in front of you, children? Can you see? See. The color is changing. So the blue litmus turns into red. Fine. In acid. Whereas if I take the base, the blue litmus, there is no change and the blue litmus remains blue. Can you see the change? So the change in front of you, children. Now we can write the change. So acid, what I have taken? I have taken citric acid. So here I can mention citric acid. Okay. And the color changed to red. And the color changed to red, whereas in base there is no change. Fine. So I have used, children, two different litmus paper. So one was red litmus paper and other was blue litmus paper. How to make litmus paper, बच्चों ये भी मैं आपको बनाना सिखाऊंगी सिर्फ इस एक्टिविटी के बाद. After this activity I will tell you how to make your own litmus paper. आप अपना खुद का litmus paper बना सकते हैं बच्चों. कैसे बना सकते हैं? That I will tell you in the next video. Okay. So this I have used ready-made litmus paper जो आते हैं बच्चों. This litmus paper किससे बना होता है? ये लिटमस क्या होता है? लिटमस इज बेसिकली अ सोल्यूशन विच इज एसोसिएशन ऑफ एल्गी एंड फंगस, जिसे हम कहते हैं लाइकन. सो लाइकन से बना होता है ये लिटमस पेपर विच इज यूज्ड एज इंडिकेटर इन आवर लैब्स. ठीक है. So I have used two things, children. One is this experiment which is performed with the help of litmus paper, whereas in this, can you see, we have used only what we have used? We have used natural indicators. So with the help of natural indicators, this activity was done. So I hope you understood the activity well and you got the concept well. So children, what is an acid? An acid is a chemical substance that donates hydrogen ions in water, like citric acid, acetic acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. They may be organic and inorganic acids. Acids are sour in taste and they turn the blue litmus into red. What are bases? A base is a chemical substance that release hydroxide ions, means OH ions in water. They are bitter, means कड़वे होते हैं, and soapy to touch, means if you touch them you will feel slippery. So bases turn red litmus paper to blue. For example, like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. So children, what is neutralization? Neutralization is that reaction in which the acidity is neutralized. और जब हम बेस डालते हैं एसिड में बच्चों, तो जो एसिड होता है वो कम हो जाता है, मतलब एसिड का इफेक्ट बिल्कुल जीरो हो जाता है. फाइन, दैट इज नोन एज न्यूट्रलाइज कर देना, उसके इफेक्ट को खत्म कर देना. सो लेट्स सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. Fine. And how neutralization takes place? When we take one acid and we combine with base, then what happen? A salt will form. So the effect of acid is basically neutralized. So what acid I have taken? I have taken HCl. This is hydrochloric acid, and I have taken a strong base that is called sodium hydroxide. Base को कैसे पहचानोगे बच्चों? बेस में या तो ऑक्साइड होगा O या हाइड्रोक्साइड होगा OH. Okay, and when we combine these two, तो क्या होगा बच्चों? What will form? Salt, that is NaCl, that is a common salt. प्लस सम वाटर बनेगा. ठीक है. सो दिस इज अ बेसिक रिएक्शन ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. न्यूट्रलाइजेशन हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में भी करते हैं. जैसे अगर आपका स्टमक अपसेट है, सपोज अगर आपके पेट में बहुत एसिडिटी हो गई है, तो आपको क्या, एंट एसिड, सी दिस इज एंट एसिड. सो एंट एसिड दिए जाते हैं. व्हाई? सो दैट दिस न्यूट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ एसिड टेक्स प्लेस एंड योर स्टमक विल बी हेल्दी. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस. So children, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel too.